Yo, it's Evan from Octane and Electrons. Going to do a video here using my new FridayParts toolkit. So we're putting a solo seat on my BMW R69S. You can see I got the parts over there. It's a Pagusa solo saddle, and I have a new toolkit from FridayParts. This will probably end up being going in my truck for my jet skis and stuff that where I need some parts or some tools to take with me. To the lake, so I think that's where it'll end up, but for now we're going to use it here. So let's check it out. I wanted a complete toolkit that'd be good for, you know, motorcycles and ATVs, my jet skis, that kind of stuff. So this thing has full metric sizes, which is mostly what I need for the skis and stuff in my truck. You can see we got all the wrenches there, deep sockets, regular sockets. We have a full set with Torx, Phillips, everything in socket bits, 3 different size ratchets. We have what was really cool, a test light and clip. So I like that. Got some electrical testing in here too. Some, what do you call them, 6-point sockets. So pretty much everything we need. Again, it's all metric in this kit, but that's fine. That's everything we need here, metric size. So this will cover the jet skis great, and it'll work great on the BMW. So I figured I'd show what I'm doing here. We'll use the tool set on it because we got a nice complete set here. So to get started, we got to put the main bracket in place, and it does have to go through right there. So I'm going to go ahead and remove, I got to remove the rear mount on the tank, which is right up underneath there. It's a 13 mil bolt, and then loosen the front tank mount right there, which I've already done. So with that in place, I can get the tank lifted up and get the through bolt through. So let me get started on that, and you can see that's where it's going right there, that piece on the front of the bracket. So I know I'm going to use this guy, mid-size socket, and I'm going to need an extension for now, as well as a 13, which I have all right here. And then I'm going to need a 13 mil wrench for underneath. 13 right there. Sweet. So I have everything I need right here to get started. Let me get this loose and we'll get the part in place. Okay, so I have the tank loose and lifted up. Had to get it all the way up to get access here. So I have my bracket put in through the front. We have our pivot bolt put through, and those are 14 mil. So I'm going to go over here. Going to grab, or I'm sorry, not 14, 17. So I'm going to grab that 17 wrench and go ahead and put my wrench over there and find where I put my socket. There it is. All right. And then go ahead and tighten this up. So I'm going to have to do that, and then I'll put the tank down in place and we get started mounting the bracket. All right, so using the FridayParts tools, I've got my 14 tight here. Ended up having to take the tank off to get plenty of room to line everything up. I have it mounted to my rubber mid bracket, and then down here and mounted to the bike frame. So there we go. Now I have the frame of the seat in place. So we're going to come over and line this up. Now I'm going to set the rear mounts in place so we can see those two are going to go through from the bottom, and then the center one you can see drops right here. So then we have to use this adjustable bracket that is going to come off. I'm going to have to remove the bolt here, but it's going to come off of there and then catch the front of our seat just like that. So let me get that lined up, and then we'll use our tools here to get this thing set up. All right, so now we got our seat dropped in place. You can see we have our 2 rear bolts through the bracket. We have our L bracket right there with the front seat mount dropped into it. And we have to use a tall 15 deep socket there to tighten it up. So now I'm going to go ahead, snug up these rear mounts. Oh, you know, these are probably actually 13s. I'm using a 14, but I can tell they're a little off. That's okay. We'll get them pulled in here. Okay, there we go. And tighten up the front. Yeah, those rears must be 13s. The front is definitely a 14. I'm gonna get it tight there. Oh, I'm gonna try and show. There we go. And then tighten that one up. Okay, and then do the final tighten down below at the 15, so it's a tight fit on the rubber there, the rubber bushing. That should bring it in. So there we go. I'm going to get the tank put back in place, and let's take a look at the finished setup. Okay, so there's our whole job complete. Got a nice Pagusa solo saddle on the R69S. Looking good. So yeah, did it all with the FridayParts toolkit. This thing's nice, complete set, metric, so great for European bikes and the jet skis. All right, thanks for watching.